White time 1:49. 1:49. That's at the time. Hey, I am a Jamaican. I'm come to talk about time. Jamaican people, white time. Yeah, I realize most Jamaican people find time to do negative things instead of the positive things. You know something? I guarantee you say most Jamaican people who find time to do negative things is a minority. Because majority of Jamaicans are progressive people. People who find time to be positive people. So we now make the minority overshadow the majority. So may I speak to the minority. The one them wanna respect time. The minority, the one them wanna respect time. You see the time where you waste to do something negative, if you even not think about something negative, you waste time. It's like you don't understand how important is time. And if you don't understand the importance of time, that means you don't know how to prioritize your life. Because if you get up every day and be a negative person, you waste time. You see me? But what you know now? You see, if you respect time and you know the importance of time and you value time and you take the time out for your waste time or to do something negative, you are a smart, ignorant fool. You see, in order to get rid of ignorance, you have to take the time out to understand the meaning of ignorance. Ignorant means not to know. So now that you understand, say, you will learn about time. How you go spend your time? You go waste your time and do something negative? Ask yourself, that I contribute nothing positive to Jamaica, the development of Jamaica. Think about the time we are waste. You see, if you don't understand time, stop being ignorant. As a matter of fact, this is your moment to be ignorant. No more. About the importance and also the value of time. Full-time Jamaicans recognize this a Jamaica time. And you see who not understand that, take a good look around you. Your neighbors now waste no time. Them a go call Crime Stop. Count every window where you see around you, every door. Even in your own house. More positive people living in your yard. And they not got no time for you waste time with negativity and crime. A Jamaica time. I will say a prosperity. Anywhere in the world with it. A few time. Yeah.